just giving these a clean. You can see it's just drying there now. Just getting some temperature in the booth. We've already mixed my paints. This is not going to be a ridiculous video. We're just going to try and get these painted. So as you'd have seen already, we're painting the car. So I know how much base coat I need. That type of thing to get full coverage. The car took about 6 coats. So these are going to need about 6 coats. The reason for separating the paint like this, one, it's a solid colour so I can. 2, it keeps the car a lot cleaner, it keeps these parts a lot cleaner. If you fill the boot up, it just can't clear properly. One's landing on top of the other and just making a mess. And flat and polishing's boring. So anything we can do to eliminate as much as possible, that's what we do. Some people love it, I don't. So that's why we're doing it. So I can put you on a tripod. You can see me, there we go. I'm going to put you on a tripod. I'll just speed it up. I'll try and get some base coat on again. I'll try and show the clear coat again, just so you see. We'll have a walk around at the end so you can see what we've been doing. Any questions, just drop me a comment. If you want to know any processes or anything like that I haven't already explained, just give me a shout in the comments. If you like, share and subscribe, it'd be appreciated, trying to grow the channel and all that. Right, we'll get on.
Fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
paint it. So I've just popped that one out for now. I'll finish that one tomorrow, but you'll get the idea of what we're doing today anyway. A little bit annoying, stuff gets missed sometimes, so luckily I've spotted it now with only a couple of layers of base coat on, so I can deal with it very quickly tomorrow. Just get it painted again, it'll be fine. So yeah, I'm just going to put the first layer of clear on now. These have already been cleaned. I've already mixed my clear, so I'll get sorted out. Right, final bit now. Boot's turned off. Hopefully you can hear me a bit better now. So we've got MG stuff. I've already told you that. We've clear coated the bonnet, bootlid, and the front valance. I have told you I haven't painted the rear one. Yeah, found a little nick on the side, so we'll deal with that and paint that tomorrow. So what we're going to do is I'll show you around so you can see what we're doing. See the bonnet, bootlid even, and the bonnet. There is a couple of bits of silicone in it. Don't know if you can just make them out. You just make them out. So I think the easiest thing is there is only a couple, so we can deal with that easily. I'm going to see how it looks in the morning. What I might do is just flow coat the bonnet anyway and the boot lid. So, which basically means we're going to 1000 grit the whole, well I'm going to 1000 grit the whole thing, take it right down, don't break through the clear coat, and then we're going to re-clear coat them. That'll seal in any of the silicons. There's about 10-15 on the bonnet. I can dag them back in, touch them back in, then flatten polish and stuff like that, but sometimes it's just not worth the effort. We can 1000 grit it, re-clear them, it'd be perfectly fine. Boot lid looks to be fine, looks nice. Again, if there's any issues with that, I don't normally make a habit of that unless the customer asks, but because we've had such a silicone problem on this car, we just have to do, it adds stages to the job that aren't normally necessarily there. So although we scrub everything before we start, we scrub, cleaning. We understand the customer's trying to get the paint back up to a nice shine, and they tried various different waxes and stuff like that. In turn, that ends up sticking in the paintwork. Now they didn't know they was having it painted, so it's not their fault. Although we've scrubbed everything, we've still got a couple of little bits to deal with. So that, unfortunately, is real life. That does happen. You don't get it very often nowadays because our process is, I'd like to think we've got our process nailed now, clean wise. Everybody will have their own version of what they feel comfortable painting over and how they clean. Yeah, and that's basically it. So if you like the colour, give us a comment, give us a thumbs up. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share and all that beautiful stuff I should go on about, apparently. Yeah, and I'll catch you on the next one. I will do a walk round of the car when it's back together again. You should have already seen, I think, a transport walk around video. I'd try and do them when they're done, because some people like to see them all built back up, because normally it's just panels and parts everywhere. So it's nice to give somebody an idea of what it looks like when it's all back together. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.